Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Ang ating today's video sa ating today's vlog all about the UAAP Finals this Sunday na. Ba, subscriber to our YouTube channel. Gusto ka mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabuti ng 500. I-supported natin sa ating social media ka. Ang ating today's video, 332 and episode 332 entitled NU versus DLSU. Your Sure Vlog! Okay, simulan natin, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, na yung season 87, maglalaban-laban ang men's and women's volleyball ng UAAP. Una muna natin sa men's una. Ang men's, ang NU versus FEU. Hapon ng mga alas 2, parang 12 or 2 magsa-start. This Sunday, Mother's Day, May 11. At, ito, pinakahinintay, women's finals between the number 1 seed NU Lady Bulldogs and the number 2 seeds DLSU Lady Spikers. Ayan. This is the game 1, starts this Sunday, May 11, Mother's Day. Baka 4 o'clock ba or sa gabi magsisimula? Pero, eto na. Sa NU, pinamunahan ng final year, Bella Belen and Cez Robles. While the Lasal, Optea Gagante and Angel Canino. And for the elimination was supposed to the perfect run this season 87 with parang 13-1 ang NU. While the Lasal, may tie kasi sa 2, 3, and 4 with UST and FEU. Galing ah! Kasi sa sa second seed, nanalo Lasal sa UST. May twice to be. Pagdating ng semifinals, ang NU nanalo sa FEU at ang Lasal nanalo against UST sa ating semifinals match. At na yon, get ready to conquer the volleyballs for the finals game 1. Saan gaganapin? Kung Smart Araneta ba o sa Mall of Asia Arena? This coming Sunday. My game 2 ay sa May 14, Wednesday. At 17 or 18 ang game 3 ng ating finals. If necessary, kung example, 1-0, game 1, pagka game 2, kung pag 2-0, champion na sila. Or, makaka-extend ng game 3, 1-1. Pag game 3, 2-1. Ayan. Good luck to NU and Lasal. Yung champion, ang NU, season 85, habang ang Lasal, season 84 pala. Season 84 for NU at Lasal, season 85. I'm so sorry. Good luck na lang sa mga teams this Sunday. Hope to see you next vlog. See ya! Bye! God bless!